We're here at Heinz Field, ready for some football in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The first week of football is in the books. Thanks for tuning in again tonight as the Oakland Raiders come into town to face the Pittsburgh Steelers. Hi, everyone. I'm Al Michaels, here for more great NFL action with my partner, John Madden. And hold on, because this is going to be a good one.
These guys are lucky to have a quarterback like this to lead their team. He can make the best defenses look like some Pop Warner practice squad when he's at the top of his game.
You have called heads. Is that correct? The Raiders call heads and have won the toss. They choose to receive.
They're lined up for the kickoff, so let's get this game started. Miller looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He kicks it off. Number 31 will return this one. The Raiders will start the drive from the 23-yard line. Melissa, is there an update?
I was able to catch up to Coach Cowher earlier today. He said that he expects to see some great plays on the field today. They've made some changes to their game plan, so that's something to watch for early on, Al.
That was Melissa Stark with her sideline report. Three-man front this time. Looking downfield. Looking for a receiver. Throwing. And this pass is completed. Flowers makes the stop at the 40. He had a quick release on that pass.
It's a good thing he caught it. You don't want to drop those passes for first down.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 40-yard line. Dropping back, surveying the field. Gannon sends the pass, and he hits his target. That reception moves the chains, and they pick up a first down.
Even the receiver was surprised how quickly that one got to him. That's the kind of thing you just hope you can hang on to as it goes by.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 14-yard line. Dropping back. Looking downfield. Gets rid of it. Nice reception. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 7-yard line. He had time to go through his progressions and find the open man.
This guy has great confidence in his arm. He knows that he can make the completion regardless of the coverage.
Ball inside the 10. And it looks like an offset out. Rolls out to his left. Looking for an option. Throwing. They need about 3. Drops back. Rolling out to his right. Passes it. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone.
Number 25.
Janikowski comes into the game to try the field goal. And it's on its way. The kick is good. And so, John, the drive comes up a little shorter than they might have liked, but they still managed to come away with a field goal.
Yeah, I know they might have liked to have gotten in there for a touchdown. But 3 points is 3 points. And sometimes that's all you need.
Number 22 and number 82, deep to receive.
He sends it off. Penalty marker down on the field. The return team will head back to the sideline.
Kicking the ball out of bounds like that gives the offense instant field position. When the kicker allows that to happen, it always confuses me.
They'll go with a pass. Goes to the middle. broken up. Stewart forces the ball in there despite excellent coverage.
He's taking a big chance by throwing it into a crowd like that.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 40. They'll go with the pass. Gets rid of it. Ward could make the catch. He overthrew the target.
That pass was clearly overthrown.
Third and 10 coming up. Ball on their own 40. Dropping back, passes left, and the catch is made. James stops him at the 43-yard line. He was stopped short of the marker and can't convert.
You know, when it's third and so many yards, why the heck would you run a pass pattern that was short of the first? Makes no sense to me.
Fourth and 7. Ball on their own 43. Miller is back to punt. Number 31 sets up, waiting for the punt. He moves under the punt, setting up for the return. The offense goes back out onto the field after picking up a field goal on their last drive. It's first and 10. Ball on their own 29. Gannon sets up. Drops back. Rolling out to his right. Surveying the field. Gets rid of it. Brown was the intended receiver. Washington swatted that pass down.
Yeah, just stick your hand in there and whap it down.
So it's second and 10. Gannon sets up, dropping back, surveying the field, rolls left, throwing, and he makes the grab. And the defender brings him down at the 36, and that's a gain of about 8. Let's check in with Melissa.
I'm told that it's a very serious injury, Al. They're planning to run some additional tests, but there's a good chance that he's seen his last action of the season. A very tough blow to this team.
Thanks, Melissa. Well, he really took a blow. He got off the field very slowly. So we've reached the end of the first quarter. We've got a close one on the way with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Pittsburgh Steelers. 3-0. And we're ready to start the second quarter. First and 10. Drops back. He's looking. Tosses it right. Hits the target with the pass. Picked up about 6 yards that time.
For a gain of 6 yards.
It's second down and 4 to go. The backs are lined up in an eye. He's looking to pass. Surveying the field with the throw. And the catch is made. And so he was able to fire that one to his receiver, converting for a first down.
That guy's always had a great arm. That's something you can't teach.
Inside the red zone. Drops back. Looking for an option. Rolling out to his right. Gilden takes him down at the 8-yard line. And that's now 3 tackles for him in this game. It's second down and 1 to go. Ball on the 8-yard line. And we've reached the 2-minute mark. He's going to throw. He surveys the field. Fiala records the stop at the 5-yard line. He runs with it and cruises past the first down marker.
That's a dangerous call. Not a good idea to have your quarterback take too many unnecessary hits down there.
First down and goal to go. Gannon sets up. Garner to carry it. Gilden drags the ball carrier down behind the line. He wraps him up and now has 4 tackles.
Here's where the defense needs to make the big play. Maybe they bring some heat with a blitz or they change up the coverage. That way they can force the offense into making a mistake and keep it from getting any points before the half.
Gannon gets set. He's looking to pass. Stepping up, goes to the middle. He hits his receiver. He tossed the ball to the receiver for the touchdown.
That was a great pass by the quarterback. He delivered that ball where only his receiver could make the catch.
Set.
And it's up. And the extra point is good.
He is good.
Janikowski is just about ready to kick this one away.
Number 82, deep to receive.
He gets the kick away. Number 22 is looking for a nice return. Nothing happened for the offense on their last drive as they went 3 and out.
If they don't want to go into the half down by this much, they're going to need some good throws and good clock management here.
1st and 10. Bettis, the deep back. The Steelers use motion. Looking to pass. Stewart rolls right, throws it away. The defense really put the pressure on.
He had no choice but to get rid of the ball. Hey, I'm sure they're going to keep on passing so they can get in range for some much-needed points.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on their own 29. They'll go with a pass. Tosses it right. A good pass, but no catch.
Maybe he heard footsteps.
It's 3rd and long now, and the defense can afford to back off and play it soft. They'll be faced with a long 3rd down play here.
Set.
Looking to pass. With the throw, right to the defender. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 45-yard line. Looking downfield. Rolls out to his left. Throwing left. Rice couldn't make the catch. He overthrows his intended receiver.
He's got to be careful with throws like that. There's a good chance of hurting his receiver or throwing a pick. Now, whoever makes a catch here has to remember to get out of bounds.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. He's going to throw. Rolling out to his right. Looking for an option. Going long. Knocked away. That pass attempt was knocked away.
The receiver just didn't have good position on it.
3rd and long. Do they gamble here or just keep it on the ground?
With the score being as it is, it might just be better playing it safe. But that's the coach's decision, not ours.
The Raiders line up with 2 backs behind the quarterback. They'll go with a pass. Gilden laid a good hit on him there for his 5th tackle of the game. Gain of 3. Time for a punt here as it's now 4th down. They need 7. Ball on the 43-yard line. Quick drop. Looking for an option. With the throw, Brown was the intended receiver. So the defense comes up big on a very interesting decision to go for it here in the 1st half.
Now, you really have to question the decision-making here. You're saying that you're not going to trust your special teams, but now you put all the pressure on your defense.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 43. Stewart under center. Dropping back. Steps up into the pocket. Knocked down. He got his hand in there to knock it down.
Yep, nothing fancy there. Don't even give the receiver a chance. Just knock it down.
It's second down and 10 to go. Looking downfield. Passes left. Ward, the intended receiver. It looks as if he got a hand on that pass.
Yeah, and all you have to do to make a guy miss is tip it so that the ball doesn't go where you expect it to go.
Third down and long coming up here. Ball on their own 43. Drops back. Stewart looking for something on the right. The defender's got it. So he picks it off thanks to the tip.
He waited, then wham! He jumped up there and just stole that pass. This is where the defense needs to just play smart and not give up a big play. There's not a whole lot of time left, so they just need to prevent him from getting into field goal range.
They'll go with a pass. Looking downfield. Gets rid of it. He couldn't bring that pass in.
Sometimes you see the receivers drop the easiest passes. They must be thinking touchdown before making the catch. I don't think they can do much more than just throw one long. So I'm sure the defensive coach is telling his guys, don't get beat deep.
Ball at about midfield. Stepping up, he goes to the left side. Face a long third down here. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. They'll go with a pass. Gets the pass off. Knocked away. That's the end of the second quarter with the score. Oakland 10. Pittsburgh 0. So let's pick up the action. As we get set for the kickoff, here's a look at the halftime stats. Janikowski will be kicking off.
Number 82 and number 22 to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Randall L. will try to bring this one back. The Steelers will start the drive from the 24-yard line. It's first and 10. Ball on their own 24. The offense lines up with split backs behind the quarterback. Bettis gets the toss. Looking for blockers. Shaw with the tackle at the 22. He ran out of real estate there.
Yeah, you talk about patience and not over pursuing. That's what you see there. The defense did not let that play develop.
They'll go with a pass. Passing to his right. And they're able to connect on that one. Across midfield. The 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. Touchdown, Steelers. And a great throw for the touchdown.
Yeah, he threw that where only the receiver could get it.
And with that score, the momentum has shifted. The kick is up. The point after is good. Well, you can't ask for much more out of a drive that gets you into the end zone.
Hey, as an offensive coach in this league, you're always making adjustments. And hopefully you can get the defense on its heels and get it in there for the touchdown. Good job by these guys.
He kicks it off. Kirby returns this kick. Loses one tackler.
We've got a close one going here.
First and 10. Ball on their own 20. Quick drop. Looking for an option. Gets rid of it. And the catch is made. Rich Gannon finds the open receiver again and is now thrown for more than 150 yards. First and 10. Passing to the middle of the field. He didn't give him a chance on that one.
Obviously, this guy thinks he can complete passes that he can't.
The Raiders line up with two backs behind the quarterback. They'll go with a pass. They were able to get to the quarterback. And they'll face a long third down here. Dropping back. Rolls left. He goes to the left side. And the catch is made. Is there for the catch, his first of the game.
23 on the play.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 37-yard line. Dropping back, looking for a receiver. Gannon throws right. Gilden makes the tackle, and so that's number 6. He didn't have to make any adjustments to come up with that catch.
A few more like that, and this guy's going to be in the All-Madden team.
1st and 10. Ball on the 24-yard line. Garner lines up behind his fullback in the eye. He's going to throw with the pass, and he finds the open man, and he's stopped at the 12-yard line. Rich Gannon completes another throw and is now over 200 yards through the air. Melissa, anything new from the sideline?
Well, Al, it doesn't look good. I spoke to the team doctor, and he indicated that it's the type of injury that will take some time to heal. They're hopeful that he won't be out long, but his return is doubtful.
Thanks, Melissa. Well, that's good news because on the replay, it looked a lot more serious than that. He'll probably miss the rest of the game. So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 12-yard line. They line up in the I formation. He's going to throw. Passes it. And he makes the grab. He flips it in there for the touchdown.
Yeah, that route was all about timing between the quarterback and his receiver. That guy knew exactly when the pass was going to get there. He turned around and boom, the pass was right on the money.
Gannon completes another drive with a beautiful touchdown pass. And it's on its way. The point after is good. And so, John, we see this offense looking good and very pleased. They were able to put together a nice package of plays for a touchdown.
Yeah, the offense kept taking and taking, and the defense kept giving and giving until they finally got the touchdown. Now they're going to talk with their coach and see how they can keep it from happening again.
He sends it off. He's trying to give his team good field position. They'll head back onto the field looking to duplicate their last drive when they were able to get the ball into the end zone, basically through their passing game. So we've reached the end of the third quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Pittsburgh Steelers, 17-7. The teams are set for the fourth quarter of play. 1st and 10. He's going to throw. Stepping up, throws over to his right. He hits his receiver, and he's brought down at the 45-yard line. Quick decision by the quarterback on that play.
That one was thrown so hard, I think it took the air right out of the receiver.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 45. He's looking to pass. Throwing. Picked off. It's intercepted. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 47-yard line. looks like an offset on. Dropping back. Passes it short. Picked off. It's intercepted. He's at the 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. Touchdown, Steelers. A spectacular defensive play leads to the touchdown.
That guy made a great play. Not only did he grab the turnover, he also put points on the board for his team.
And it's up. And the extra point is good. The Steelers keep hanging around and they can steal this one.
The momentum in this game is turning.
Miller will be kicking off.
Number 4 to kick off. Number 31.
He gets the kick away.
To receive.
Number 31 is heading upfield.
The defense needs to come up big with a stop here.
It's 1st and 10. Two-minute warning coming up. He's looking to pass. Gannon looking for something on the right, and it's complete. The receiver found a hole in the secondary, and the quarterback found him with the pass.
The defense can never let up out there. This guy can make some incredible catches.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 37. 2 minutes to the final gun. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 37.
Somebody get over there. Get over there. Get into it. Get into it.
Set.
Dropping back. Short pass. Great catch. Hampton got very good penetration there. So here's how each team has done protecting the ball, or lack thereof, perhaps. Looking downfield. Gets the pass off. And this pass is complete. And he's tackled at the 25-yard line. Rich Gannon continues to pile up the passing yards. He's over 250 now. It's 1st and 10. Dropping back. Gannon rolls left. He goes to the left side. Jet was the intended target. He forced that pass into coverage.
It's almost better to take the sack there because you don't want that pass to get picked off.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 25-yard line. 4 linebackers this time. Looking to throw. He surveys the field. Gannon with the pass, and he's brought down at the 11-yard line. He picks up more yardage with that completion and now has almost thrown for 300 yards.
They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeouts.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 11-yard line. And this is the 5th play of this drive. Dropping back with the throw, and they're able to connect on that one. Great reception on that play, John.
Looks like someone might have blown their coverage on that one. They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeouts.
1 yard to go. Ball on the 2-yard line. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Dropping back. Surveying the field. Passes left. Jet was the intended receiver. No luck finding his target in the end zone.
The end zone's such a small area for all these players, it's always hard to throw in it.
One yard to go. 2 yards to the goal line. Gannon sets up. He's going to throw. He surveys the field. With the pass, he hits his receiver. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
So he found his target, and for the 3rd time, it goes for a touchdown.
Set.
The kick is up, and the extra point is good.
He is good.
Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 82 to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. He gets under the kick and fields it cleanly. Give the defense a lot of credit on that last possession as they were able to force the interception. Let's see what happens this time.
Any run plays in the playbook should be thrown out because they need points fast, and the only way they're going to get them is by throwing the ball.
Stewart will work out of the shotgun. They'll go with a pass. Passes it. Gets his hand on it. Romanowski didn't give him a chance on that one.
He tried to guide it in there, but it didn't work.
They have to move him down quickly here on second down. It's second down and 10 to go. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. And he hits his target. Stewart just went over the 100-yard mark with that pass. A little over 4 to go. He's looking to pass. Passes it. He hits his receiver. The quarterback did a real good job finding his target with that pass.
This receiver can really do it all. He has speed, he runs great routes, and he can make catches on any kind of throw. He's got those great hands.
It's first and 10.
Make it happen, Dan. Make it happen.
So it's second and 10. Ball on the 25-yard line. They'll go with a pass. Stepping up, looking downfield. Throwing. Edwards can't come up with it on that attempt. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. Third and 10 coming up. He's looking to pass. He goes to the left side. He finds his man. Stewart completes another. That pickup will put him just over 150 yards today. So it's first and goal. Four-man front this time. Dropping back. Passes left. And he makes he can't hold it in. He should have caught that one.
Yeah, and the receiver dropped it. He was either thinking about the hit that was coming or the run after the pass. But you have to think about the catch first.
So it's second and goal. Four linemen and three linebackers lined up defensively. He's going to throw. Passes it out to the left. He just can't find a way to bring that one in. So in the closing seconds, they're near the goal line, but it's too little, too late. So now we have third and goal. Using motion. Looking to pass. Passing to his left. The defender broke that play up.
Intended for number 86.
Well, at least someone could pad their stats if they put this one in for the score.
This is fourth down and goal to go. Ball on the 6-yard line. Bettis in the backfield. Back to pass. Throwing. Nice completion. This game reaches its conclusion with the final score, Oakland 24, Pittsburgh 21. A reminder to join us next week for another exciting NFL game. This has been a presentation of EA Sports. And this is Al Michaels for our entire crew saying good night.